Okay.
Switch warning. Flight mode acro and lights on. Lights on.
Okay, it's good now. Calibrate. Start calibrating. Okay, good. On the center. Going up. Center. Center. It's been a while since I played this simulator. So let's do it like it is our first flight, and then we just wait. Let's do it on line sight. It's loading the train. What's the story with Arn when turtle is brown? Yep, I did. Going up and the middle. Steady, steady. Yep. Oops. It's calibration, I guess. Going up and to the center. Alright. With every maneuver, you simultaneously also need to manage your throttle. Okay, good. For your note, this is not me that is playing the drone, so it is the starter. And we're just gonna see step by step how to do that. The roll is sideways rotation. Okay, good. And to left. So after we saw or watch this instruction, we're gonna try on hands. So we can see that the guidelines of the boat throttle, I mean the boat controller stick, um, that we want to follow to do it correctly and properly. Like make full turn using yaw. 1, 2, 3, throttle. Yaw is something like this. Oops. So lame. Yep, it's not easy. Let's also on the right stick on your controller. Go ahead, just experiment with these axes a bit. Feel more. Don't forget the miniature throttle. Okay. What is this? We're going back. We're going back. You're getting hang of it. Let's just give you. No. Let you know how to put to how your input affects the drone. Let's put that to the test. Okay, here small track with 3 color circle to complete the challenge. Okay, let's do it. Arm the drone. It's a mess. It's going forward. I feel like an old man that cannot fly anything. Just keep moving. No, 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 no. I think my left sticks is not working properly. Just how I move it to the left, this is to the right. It's not actually working. What is happening? I'm just gonna forward here. Whoa, dread work, but not easy. Try this exercise again before continue. I don't think so. I think that's it for today. I would like to more like I like to calibrate my controller before we going to the next training. So yeah, thank you for watching.